Hi, I'm Jennifer Tryon, and I've got the new Cricut Maker 3, and I'm gonna race it against my old original Cricut Maker. This one's supposed to be twice as fast. We'll see. All right, machines, are you ready? Okay, we're off to a good start. That was fast. Okay, clearly the Cricut Maker 3 was the winner. It's obviously faster. I even didn't expect to save so much time at the beginning of the project because I used the smart materials over here versus loading up my premium vinyl on my mat. That saved quite a bit of time too. Now, having said all of that, there's absolutely nothing wrong with my original Cricut Maker. Still works great, and I will still use this machine. But I can see myself reaching first for the new Cricut Maker 3 because it is a lot faster and we can get a lot more done when the machine works faster for us. Thanks for watching. I'm Jennifer Tryon.